Today we are talking about products related to tool making with a special focus on their practical applications in modern mold making. According to our slogan, a part for every purpose, a product for every one of your applications, it is also important for us to talk about products that you might not immediately expect to find in the norelem standard product range. To manufacture this clamping lever, we need this precision tool. Looking at this tool, you can immediately recognize the robust guide columns that protrude, and on the opposite side, the precisely fitted guide bushings. They can be moved with zero tolerance, there is absolutely no play, and it feels as if you are compressing air. This ultimately ensures maximum precision. In most tools, springs are also commonly used to reliably return the mechanism to its starting position. Here you can see the different colors, which always correspond to different spring strengths. The truly spectacular action, of course, takes place inside this tool. You know that better than I do. Once the tool is finished, we need to get it onto the machine. Here you can already see the lifting rings. These are available in a wide variety of versions at norelem. As lifting hooks, you will also find them in the norelem range. We will now move over to the machine and simply show you the tool in action. The tool closes, and the components we just showed you, especially the precision guide elements, are now fully in use. As soon as the tool reopens, the parts are fully finished and fall down. And a handling device comes in to remove the remnants from the tool so that the new production process can basically begin. But at norelem, it definitely doesn't stop there. A part for every purpose ultimately means that no matter the application, no matter what you are building, you will always find standardized components that you can use in your design. We have now fully walked around the machine and are now safely positioned behind it. If we briefly take a closer look at what is happening in the background, we are in the field of automation. This means the parts coming out of the injection mold are removed and transported further. And here too, we again have applications where you can find norelem parts everywhere. A part for every purpose means that whether you are building tools, machines, or fixtures within your design, you will always find standardized components that you can integrate into your solution. Why? Your benefit lies in being able to fully focus on your core competence, efficiently solving complex technical requirements. Thank you for your attention.